Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. In this video, we will be studying curve through reference points. So with this, let's just create a polygon of, 10 sides is enough. And let's create it, okay? Now, again, just get out the sketch. Again, select top plane and in the reference geometry, select top plane again. I want a plane above this top plane, so 50 millimeters is good. Okay, now select sketch on it and create another polygon of the same, or if you want a different, so you can. Okay, now get out of the sketch. So I have now hide the plane, and now I have two different sketches above each other. Okay, now go to curves, and there is curve through reference points. Okay, now let's start it from here or here, or whatever you want. There to this point, we are leaving one and selecting the other, alternate, but one from upside and the other from the downward side. Okay, here and here and here. Okay, now you can directly select this one, but let's just check this one, closed curve. So when I check this, it will automatically meet there. Okay, now this kind of geometry is now constructed. If you want to now sweep anything around about this curve, you can do it, or if you want to leave it like this, you can also leave it like this. Okay, it solely depends on you. Okay, now I want a swept bezier boss and circular profile over this. Okay, but let's just give a diameter of 2 millimeters, and here it is. So there is your required curve that I have created through reference points. So if you want to extrude these sketches, these polygons, okay, first this one, and I want it in a downward direction, 10 millimeters. It's okay, 10 millimeters in this on this side, and again extrude cut, and this sketch, but this time I want above. And now here, if you want a cross shape like this, now there it is. So here is your required shape. You can create any kind of shape by from these from this curve through reference points. I hope you would like it. Please like and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.